My name is Matthew Gibson. I'm the KTP Associate for Ailsa Reliability Solutions and the University of Strathclyde. Through my KTP project, I have the privilege of leading the development of the innovative digital platform called Ailsa Vision. Ailsa Vision is designed to revolutionise condition monitoring by consolidating diverse data streams into a single, unified platform. This provides users with a streamlined process for analysing and interpreting their data. By creating tailored data pipelines, we ensure that sensor technology data flows seamlessly, while advanced analytics present information in a clear and actionable format. Part of the role is to understand the current in-house skills at ARSL and develop a team for the future needs of the business. A key innovation of the project is the deployment of AI models developed in collaboration with the university. This not only enhances engineers' productivity, but also supports data-driven decision-making. Ultimately, this helps industrial plants minimise unplanned downtime, improving reliability and reducing costs. Improving reliability also reduces wasted energy. Therefore, the analytics have a positive effect on the plant's carbon footprint. Having started my career in industry and completed a modern apprenticeship, the change to KTA has given me the opportunity to address many of the challenges I faced as a junior engineer. The hands-on experience has been invaluable in shaping the project's direction. It's allowed me to understand the needs of the engineers who will use Ailsa Vision and develop solutions that will truly make a difference. Thank you.